Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are learning some fruit vocab. The first fruit is apple. इसको उर्दू में सेब कहते हैं. And it is a sweet round fruit and its color is red, green or yellow sometimes. And the second fruit is banana. इसको उर्दू में केला बोलते हैं. It is a long yellow fruit with soft sweet flesh. The next fruit is orange. इसको उर्दू में माल्टा बोलते हैं. And it is a juicy citrus orange fruit and it is rich in vitamin C. And next fruit is mango. इसको उर्दू में आम बोलते हैं. It is a juicy tropical fruit and it is soft, juicy and sweet. And next is grapes. इनको उर्दू में अंगूर बोलते हैं. It is small round fruits that grows in bunches. And next is pineapple. इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं अनानास. It is a tropical fruit with rough skin and sweet yellow flesh. The next is strawberry. It is red heart-shaped fruit with seeds on the outside. The next fruit is watermelon. इसको उर्दू में तरबूज बोलते हैं. It is a large sweet fruit with green rind and juicy red flesh. Next fruit is papaya. It is a soft orange fruit with large black seeds inside. Next fruit is pear. इसको उर्दू में अमरूद बोलते हैं. It is a sweet fruit. It has yellow or green color with a bell shape. Next fruit is pomegranate. इसको उर्दू में अनार बोलते हैं. It is a fruit filled with juicy red seeds. And next is kiwi. It is a brown fuzzy fruit with green flesh and black seeds. Next is peach. इसको I think आड़ू बोलते हैं. It is a soft fruit with fuzzy skin and a stone-like seed inside. Next fruit is plum. इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं आलू बुखारा and it is a round fruit with soft skin and sweet flesh. Next one is cherry. It is a small red and black fruit. And next is blueberry. It is small round blue fruit and it is sweet and juicy. Next one is guava. It is green or yellow fruit with pink or white flesh. And next one is apricot. इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं खुबानी. It is a small yellow, orange or green fruit and it is soft and sweet. Next fruit is lychee. It is a white fruit with rough skin and its color is red. And next one is dragon fruit. It is a exotic fruit with pink rough skin and speckled flesh. The next fruit is fig. It is small, soft fruit with sweet flesh and tiny seeds inside. The next fruit is coconut. It is hard shell fruit with the flesh and water inside. The next one is raspberry. It is a soft red fruit made of tiny red parts. The next one is blackberry. It is dark purple or black, tiny fruits. It is juicy and sweet. The next one is mulberry. इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं शहतूत. It is small, dark colored and green colored fruit growing on the trees. And next one is passion fruit. It is a round fruit with hard skin and tangy seeds inside. The next fruit is star fruit. It is a star-shaped yellow tropical fruit. The next fruit is tamarind. It is a brown pod fruit with sweet or sour pulp. The next one is jackfruit. It is a large fruit with pinky skin and yellow sweet bulbs inside. The next one is cranberry. It is small tart red fruits and often used in juice. The next fruit is melon. It is a large yellow sweet fruit with large seeds inside और इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं खरबूजा. The next fruit is lemon. It is a juicy citrus yellow or green colored fruit. The next fruit is date. It is sweet brown small fruit with stone-like seed inside. The next fruit is avocado. It is a green fruit with soft pulp and a round seed inside. And the last one is Grevia asiatica. इसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं फालसे, and it is tiny red and black fruits. Some taste sweet and some sour. And if you want to learn more about English vocabulary and basics of English, then you can do follow my channel, and Allah Hafiz.